And greetings everybody, weather prognosticator and meteorologist Chad Merrill taking you through the weather forecast into the middle of April, and we have some interesting weather occurring, as well as a look at the cicadas, which will start to emerge here between May 10th and May 20th as the soil temperature, which is now about 52 to 60 degrees, finally warms up to that critical mark of 64 degrees. Yes, you may have seen a couple of holes developing in the soil, that's where the cicadas emerge, but they will not start buzzing until May 10th to the May 18th. May 10th to the 18th going north or south to north across the mid-Atlantic. We do need rain in certain spots of the mid-Atlantic. While the topsoil moisture is adequate across much of the mid-Atlantic, there are parts of Pennsylvania, West Virginia, and Virginia where a little bit of that soil is dry, and that is because of precipitation departures since the start of the year in northwestern Pennsylvania, about 3.5 to 4.5 inches below average, and also a sliver of western Virginia and eastern West Virginia, very close to that I-81 corridor, where we have precipitation departures about 2.5 inches below average. Well, we do have some cold weather on the way. That is spelled out on page 23 of the Hagerstown Town and Country Almanac. But a cold front coming through on Thursday will drive northwest winds and bring that upslope snow to the Allegheny Plateau. Do expect 1 to 3 inches of snow in those higher elevations. Slippery roads and poor visibility is what you can expect late Thursday into early Friday. Once you get east of the plateau, a couple of rain showers will be mixed with those small ice pellets. They will not cause damage, but they will be prevalent in some of these rain showers. Also, snow will fall across northeastern Pennsylvania, Williamsport, north of Allentown, into parts of northern New Jersey. Now, this particular storm system is also going to produce snow across upstate New York, Plattsburgh, the Green and White Mountains of Vermont and New Hampshire. On the heels of that, cold air mass pours in. We will have frost across northern Maryland and Pennsylvania, and also across New England. Early next week, another cold front will deliver showers and a few thunderstorms that will have some wind gusts of about 50 miles per hour. They will be isolated to widely scattered east of I-81 towards the Chesapeake Bay and the Delmarva Peninsula. Also in the news is the developing Pacific typhoon, a western Pacific typhoon, and this particular storm system east of the Philippines will not impact directly the Philippines. It will stay to the east, but what's going to happen is it's going to become a large storm system, and once it gets connected to the jet stream, it's going to become a very strong low pressure as it pushes north towards Alaska, and that push towards Alaska of warm air with this particular storm system is going to buckle the jet stream and cause implications to the weather across the central and eastern U.S. with some cold outbreaks and episodes of showers and severe thunderstorms in the early to middle part of May. So stay tuned for that. You can find some details on page 25 of the Hagerstown Town and Country Almanac with the outlook for May. Bishop's has a few running events. The one on Saturday is at Mason Neck State Park in Lorton, Virginia. Partly cloudy, a little chilly for the start, 39 degrees, but we warm it up to 43 degrees by the end of that race. And on Sunday at Burke Lake Park, racing around the lake, 5K, 10K, and half marathon. Temperatures a little bit milder than Saturday, mid-40s to start the race, lower 50s to end that particular race. If you want to see what we're up to at the Hagerstown Town and Country Almanac, where some of our weather articles are featured in certain newspapers, just go to almanac.com, and from there you can order the 2021 Hagerstown Town and Country Almanac. Have a great week.